This is beginners friendly head wrap, so watch and see how I'm going to achieve this style. I'm working with 4 layers of ashoke. I started by folding into 2, then I'll fold into 4 before placing it on my head. So after placing it on my head, I'm going to be taking the measurement, which is 50-50. Both sides are equal. After taking this measurement, I'm going to arrange it before making a knot here. So I'm making the knot now. Then I'll arrange it again. You can see it is okay. The next thing I'm going to do, one side of the 50, I'll open it up. I want to form a rose here, but I'll start with one first, okay? So I open it up, then start to form this rose. I'm going to achieve this with making few pleats, okay? See the way I'm taking it round. As I'm taking it round, I'm forming some rough pleats, okay? I'll continue to take it round, continue taking it round until I achieve the rows at this front here, okay? So watch my hand and see how I'm achieving this. So here now I'm going to secure it. So watch and see how I'm going to secure with a pin. So I'm done. This other side of the 50, I'll repeat the same thing here. I'll open it up, take it round. Just watch my hand. See, I'm going to cross it at the back of this first one here. Form few pleats again. Then form the second rows under that first one, okay? Don't forget that under the first one, that's where I'm forming the second rows here. I will take it round to the end. So at the end of it, that's where I'm going to secure with a pin, okay? So watch my hand as I'm securing here with a pin. And please, if you're just coming across my video for the first time, help me to share this video and don't forget to follow this page so that you can learn more from me. Like the video and leave your comments. Let me also know where you're watching me from, okay? Thank you very much for doing that. So here I am done. The next thing is to arrange it, and this is the end product. How do you see it? There's the front, the side, the back. That's nice. Thank you for watching. Bye.